Welcome guys, today I have for you a Kent model SGS-1640HD. This machine is wired for 220 volts. Off to the left hand side you will see that we do have a coolant tank with a paper feed along with a magnetic separator, and then on the right hand side you'll see that we have our hydraulic tank. With all that being said, we'll just get right into it, start pressing some buttons. This is a manual and automatic machine, so with our 3 hand wheels up front, this is going to be our up and down. This is going to be our in and out. You just have to interlock it and you go ahead, bring that in. And then our table left and right, same concept. These are spring loaded. You just got to push them in. Over here we do have the throttle control for our table to go left and right. This right here is going to determine how much we will down feed. Go ahead and just change that dial. And then we also have our over the wheel dresser right here, which is just, you pull the lever and you're good to go. So with that being said, we do have a variable magnetic chuck controller on here, which I do have it set to full. As you can see, that's not going anywhere. And it's also a safety feature. If that magnet is not on, the machine won't really run. So let's go ahead and start our hydraulics. Follow up with the wheel. Another thing about this machine is it does have a rapid up and down. You'll just have to flip this little lever into the rapid position and you can go ahead and play with our buttons to go up or down. And yeah, so from there we're gonna go ahead and start just a quick plunge cycle for you. Put auto down feed on. As long as you have your hydraulics, you're ready to just open up the throttle control. And now we're in a plunger mode. As you can see, every single time we hit our reversal, we will down feed. This does go all the way down to 0 and then it will stop feeding. That's really it. So I am going to let this just feed down a little bit. Let that just finish out its little cycle that it has going on. Again, as I mentioned, you could change the speed of the table. So I have it wide open right now. And we're coming up on our 0. Like I said before, this little knob right here will change how much is actually going to be down fed. So I got it set to halfway now. I got it all the way open. And as you can see, we are at our 0 now. So the machine will no longer down feed. It will keep going back and forth. So now let's get on over to our traverse. Put on our down feed, and as you can see, we are traversing. You can change the input on how much is going in and out just with this little knob right here. So I have it off right now, just cracked open a little bit. Should just put a little bit more feed on there so I can demonstrate the actual down feed. Go ahead, turn the coolant tank on for you guys. Really quiet. As you can see, the magnetic roller is going on right now. The conveyor won't work until the plunger inside of the tank reaches its certain height, and then it'll start automatically feeding down into that bucket up front. Speed this up just a little bit. Nice quiet machine, original paint job. Spindle sounds fantastic on this. Now we should almost be running up on our 0. Yeah, we're basically there. So I'm just gonna let this play out. And yeah, so again, This is going to be our Kent model SGS-1640HD with the coolant tank with magnetic separator and conveyor wired for 220 volts. Thank you very much.